Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the WhenLambo token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in the crypto space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, to get started with this video, all you guys have to do is go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet. And once you're in Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB in this video. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description as well as in the comment section down below for you guys to learn how to do that first, and then you can come back to this video to learn how to buy the token. Anyhow, I'm going to assume you guys already have your BNB inside of your smart chain wallets and you're good to go. All we have to do now is copy the contract address over from CoinMarketCap and put it inside of our Trust Wallet. So just to do that, just go over to the CoinMarketCap link I have in the description, and then it'll bring you over to the WhenLambo page on CoinMarketCap. And all you have to do now is just click on the little button beside contracts, and you'll see that little copy button there. Click on that to copy the address, and then go back over to Trust Wallet. Once you're back in Trust Wallet, you want to go to the top right of your screen where we see the two lines and two circles. Click on that. Then just go to the top search and paste the contract address in. Once you paste the contract address in, you'll see the WhenLambo token pop up. You just want to enable the token and then click on Done. Once you do that, we can head over to PancakeSwap. I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description, so you guys can just go ahead and click on the link, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Once you guys are on PancakeSwap, we're going to have to connect our wallets. So we're going to go to the top right of the screen where we see the little Connect Wallet button and click on that. And then here, instead of clicking on Trust Wallet, we're actually going to click on Wallet Connect. Once you click on Wallet Connect, you'll see a bunch of different wallets you can use. So you guys can use any one of these wallets. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Trust Wallet. So you just want to click on Trust Wallet. And then it's going to open up with this Connect page right here. So we're going to click on Connect to connect our wallets to PancakeSwap in order to do the swap. Once we do that, we can go back over to PancakeSwap. And then we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon up in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB above BNB. For whatever reason, if you guys don't see your BNB balance here, it's just because your BNB is not in your smart chain wallet. So just make sure you have your BNB in your smart chain wallet, and then it will appear in PancakeSwap. Anyhow, all we have to do now is click on Select a Currency. And then we want to go ahead and paste our address up in this top corner here. Once we do that, we'll see the WhenLambo token pop up. So you just click on Import, and then I understand, and then Import. Once that is done, we just have to change our slippage tolerance to 12%. So to do that, you just want to click on that little Sangs gear right beside Exchange. Once you guys click on that, we can change our slippage tolerance right here to 12%. For whatever reason, if 12% doesn't work for you, you could try using a little bit higher or a little bit lower if you want to try to save a little bit on the slippage tolerance. But you want to make sure that you guys try to get the transaction to go through the first time, because you will pay fees if it does not go through. But I would try using 12% to start off. If another slippage tolerance works for you, just let me know down below, and I'll be happy to update it in the pinned comment. Anyhow, all we have to do now is decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the WhenLambo token. So let's just say, for example, you want to transfer 0.2 BNB. You can type that in. Then it's going to show you the amount of the WhenLambo token you'll get in exchange. If you guys are happy with this, you can just click on the swap button where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you click on the swap button, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. If you guys are happy with what you see on that page, you can click on swap one more time. Then you should get the successful transaction notice. Once you get that notice, we can head back into our Trust Wallets, and then the token should arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the WhenLambo token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.